Okay, so as you remember at the very beginning of the exam, I said that some exams are one-offs, and additive manufacturing was one of these. Okay, so there are no professional level additive manufacturing exams or even experts. But with that being said, additive manufacturing is more about practical use than software use. So what I mean by that is the skills you have from additive manufacturing, if they're just theoretical skills, they're not enough. Okay, because if any of you is into 3D printing and that kind of stuff, if you have 2 3D printers at home, and like the first printer is from, let's say, for Prusa, and the second one is like Ultimaker, you're probably going to use different slicers for each one. Although you can use the same for both, you probably have different settings for each one. You probably have different like tips and tricks for every printer, small tweaks here and there. These things you don't study online, you can't see them in Solidworks. But practical use is what practical knowledge is what gives you the better chance in these kind of stuff. So when it comes to additive manufacturing, I think there are 2 things you have to focus on. The first is CAD designing in general, because after all, if you're designing something to be 3D printed, so yeah, you know the general things about 3D printing, but you also have to be good at 3D designing. So I can recommend the CSWA mechanical design, since it's the and the CSWP too. Okay, so these both don't actually get very they don't delve into advanced topics like weldments or sheet metal or that kind of stuff that you won't need to use as a 3D printing guru, but it's just going to show him how to make just a high level decent parametric CAD models, right? So as I said, just to recap, working practically, that's the first thing on my list, and then CAD designing in general. Okay,